So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add fixed assets in Xero. Firstly, go to Accounting and select Fixed Assets to open the asset register. Find the transactions you previously reconciled to a fixed asset account. They will appear automatically under the Draft tab. Now, click on a draft asset to open its details pane. Enter the required book value, select the depreciation start date, and input the asset's expected lifespan. Leave optional fields like serial numbers blank if preferred, then click Register to prepare the asset for depreciation. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.